Alrighty, y'all. Hubby got a grill, and we're going to clean this outside part for dinner tonight because we are hosting people. So let's do it. Okay, we're ready. I'm gonna start by putting Leo's chalk in here. We're going to move this one because this is where the grill is going to live. I think I'm gonna move the other bench right here. Oh, there's a lizard. We still don't have anything alive. She has served her purpose. I don't know how they got these here. Oh my gosh. Wait, I'm not that strong. Be careful, babe.